Okay, you're just about to see two different clips from situations that arose in the lobby with groups of friends, whereby just we found these random glitches where your legs would fling up a wall or they'd flick behind you like you were doing a silly walk, like in John Cleese or something from Monty Python. Really good, innocent fun, but absolutely hysterical, especially if you were there. But I hope this brings a smile to your face. Enjoy.
But good walk back up.
Oh, nice.
It's like, I don't know. Just back up against it.
Oh,
yeah.
that?
Yeah. Just back up again. Oh. Oh man.
Now I feel like a cat rubbing up against a post.
It's so funny.
That's hilarious.
Crazy, oh my God. Oh, I'm so glad I'm sewing for this.
Hey boys.
Too good.
Oh.
Who wears shorts?
That's goofy, man.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh, whoops. Looks like you're kicking yourself in your own ass.
Right? High knees.